Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix camera compatible issue with Windows 11 Hello Face. So you just need to follow me. At first, please click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Under Settings menu, click on Apps. On right side, please find and click on Optional Features. Under Optional Features, please find and click on Windows Hello Face. If your computer installed Windows Hello Face software device, you don't need to do anything here. If not, please click on View Features and install from here. As my computer already has the installed device, Windows Hello Face software device, I don't do anything here. So, next then click on Search menu and type here services.msc and enter here. From services, we find out Windows Biometric Services, and stop the biometric services from here. Stopped. After then, click on File Explorer, then click on C drive, then click on Windows. As my OS installed on C drive. Under Windows, click on System32. Under System32, click on WinVio Database. WinVio Database. From this folder, we delete all of the files. After then, again click on Services and click on Windows Biometric Service and start the service. I hope Windows Hello Face camera problem will be solved in your computer. Hope this video tutorial helpful for you. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos and thank you for watching.